Are you looking for a quick and easy will that you can make yourself, knowing it's valid and legal? In this video, we show you how to make your own will and how to properly sign and finalize your document so that you know it will be honored after your death.
Are do-it-yourself wills legal?
Most people can make their own will without hiring an attorney. You need to know certain details about the assets you own and who you want to leave them to. To create your will, you must be 18 or older, be of sound mind, and you must voluntarily make and sign your will. You should clearly list each item of property you own and who you want to leave it to. For real estate, you can use the deed or tax ticket to get the property description, and you should have your beneficiary's legal name, address, and phone number or email. For personal property, like jewelry, antiques, art, etc., you can include these items on a personal property list as an attachment to your will. This makes it easy to make changes as needed. If you have minor children, you can choose who you want to care for them if you die by naming a guardian in your will. If you have pets, you can include a caregiver so you know your animals will be looked after. You should also know who you want to handle your estate and distribute your assets. You'll name this person as your executor or personal representative. To make your will legally valid, it needs to be properly executed. This means you need to sign and date it in front of 2 adult witnesses
Who are disinterested,
meaning they're not receiving anything under your will. A lot of states also allow you and your witnesses to sign a self-proving affidavit in front of a notary. Ready to create your will? Go to FindLaw to find simple do-it-yourself estate planning forms. You can use the free will form that allows you to fill in the blanks, or the guided questionnaire that automatically generates your will based on answers you provide. When you finish, you can download and print your will. You can then sign and finalize it with your witnesses. The will's cover page includes detailed instructions on how to properly sign according to the laws in your state. Legal solutions start here. Get started today at FindLaw.com and be sure to subscribe and visit the links in the description to learn more.